Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past 7 chord November series 2021. So you got fraction, decimal, and percentage. Okay, here is 1 over 2 equal to 0.5 equal to 50%. Now we got the decimal as 0.25. That is mean 25 over 100. Percentage, that is mean over 100. So here already over 100, so this equal to 25. To make it fraction, we can make it into the simplest form. Here we divide by 25. So we got as 1 over 4. Here is 1 over 4. Okay, we got 1 over 5. And then we got 20%. Okay, we can make it 1. We divide it by 5. This is 0.2. We got as 0.2. Number 2. Okay, find the perimeter. Okay, here is the perimeter. We can just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So we got as 24 centimeter. Okay, number 3, write down the order of rotational symmetry. So yeah, symmetry look like this. Okay, let's say look like this. So we'll rotate it. Here is gonna be not equal as the first. Okay, here is the same as first. 1 is no, and here is 2. So the order of rotational symmetry equal 2. Next, number 4. Write down the letter of the shape that is congruent to the, okay, here, congruent. A, absolutely no. B, also not congruent. C is not congruent. So congruent is the size or all the angles are equal. This no. So E, yes, it is congruent. So here equal to E. Number 5. Okay, here it is. The steam lift diagram. 1 and 1 represent 11 items. Find the mode. So the mode is the most common. So we got here 1, 6, 1, 6, 16 2 times. Okay, 22 we got 3 times. Yeah, that is the most. So the mode equal to 22. B, find the median. So we got as 22. Total is 22, we plus by 1 and we divide by 2. So we got 23. We divided by 2. We make it a half. So here is equal to 11.5. Let us find 11.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, here between 29 and 31. So the median is equal to 30. Number 6. Okay, change 2.7 kilometers into meter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meter. So 2.7, we can just multiply by 1,000. So we got as 2,700. Find the number of hours in 5 days. So in 1 day, there are 24 hours. So we can just multiply it by 5. So we got as 120 hours. Okay, number 7. Okay, here is the flight depart on Friday, 22nd July at 21:40. Okay, the flight takes 13 hours and 35 minutes. Okay, the local time in Shanghai is 15 hours ahead of the local time in Los Angeles. Find the day, date, and the time in Shanghai. Okay, so first we got 21. So 21:40, let's make it into hours. Here is we got 20 minutes. So take it out from here minutes. So we got 13 hour and 15 minutes because we got 35 minus it by here 20 minutes. Okay, next, maximum days is until 24 o'clock or 00. This is takes 2 hours. So we can take it from here. It's gonna be 11 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, here is the next day, 23rd July on Saturday. Okay, from 00, so it's gonna be 11.15. Okay, the information is the local time in Shanghai is 15 hours ahead. Okay, this is 15 hours ahead. So we can just plus by 15. Okay, this maximum time, okay, from 11 is until 24 o'clock. So we got 24 minus by 11. Okay, here is we got 13 hours plus again by 2 hours. Okay, this is 15 hours. So we will arrive at 2:15. So the day here is 24th July on Sunday. The day is Sunday. That is 24 July. The time is 02:15. B. The cost of the flight is $920. The exchange rate is $1 equal to 6.87 Chinese yuan. Find the cost of the flight in yuan. So we got 920. We can just multiply by 6.87. So we got as here 6,320.4 yuan. 8, we got the equation P equal to 2n minus 3t. Okay, find the value of n when P equal to 9, T equal to 8. We can just substitute. So this is 9 equal to 2n minus 3. We multiply it by 8. So here it is. We just substitute the value of P and T. Okay, we keep 2n. So you got 3 minus it by 8 equal to 24. Okay, both of sides we plus by 24. So we got as here 33 equal to 2n. Then we divide by 2 both of sides. So we got n as 16.5. Okay, number 9. The scale drawing show the position of two towns P and Q. The scale is 1 centimeter represent 4 kilometer. Okay, find the actual distance between P to Q. Okay, we'll use a ruler. Okay, here we got as 8. From 0. Okay, we got as 8.3. So 1 centimeter equal to 4 kilometers. So we can just multiply it by 4. So here is 8.3. We multiply by 4 is equal to 33.2. Okay. Let's write it here. Here is 33.2. Let's check it again to make sure. Okay, I think it touch 8.2. Okay, let's make it 8.2 here. 8.2 centimeter. We multiply by 4. That's gonna be 8 point. Okay, 32.8. Yes, the answer 32.8 kilometer. Okay, measure the bearing of town Q from town P. Okay, so we need to measure this bearing. I will make it a straight line. Okay, here it is, the straight line. here is 90 degree, starting from 90 degree. Okay, so we are going to minus it later on. Okay, 90 degree, we minus by 25. So you got here 5, 6. Okay, 65 degree. As the bearing, we need to make it 3 digit. So this is 065 degree. Okay, see, town X is 28 kilometer from town P on the bearing of 140. Okay, this is kilometer. We will make it into centimeter. So 28, we divided by 4. So this is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, this is from town P. Okay, here is P. This is 065 degree. We need to make it 140 degree. Okay, here is 90 degree. Let me mark. Okay, it's count like this. So we got 140 minus it by 90 degree. So we need as 50 degree only. Okay, if you have a protractor, just measure it from the north to make it 140. So here is 180. We minus by 50, 130. Okay, so we'll make it until 130 degree. 130. Okay, here it is. We got it. We need as 7 centimeter. Here is X. Town X. Here's X. The total of 140 degree. This is 7 centimeter. Okay, number 10. Okay, invest this money at the rate. Okay, this is simple interest. Okay, we got as 2,460. We multiplied by 3.5%. And as this is 4 years, so we multiplied by 4. Okay, here is only investment. Okay, let's calculate it. So 2,460 we multiplied by 3.5%, and we multiplied by 4. And at the end, here with the investment money is plus by 2,460. Here is 344.4 plus by 2,460 plus by 2,460. So you get as the final answer $2,804.4. Okay. Here is number 11. We got 120 people test a new drink. Each person give a score out of 5. The bar chart show the result. Okay, let's calculate the mean score. So we have 120. Here is 120. We divide by 120. Okay, here is the number of people. So here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Okay, we got 1. How many people here? 12. Okay, 15. So 1 multiplied by 15 equal to 15. Plus by 2, we multiplied by, here is 23. So plus by 46. And then 3, we multiplied by 36. So 3 multiplied by 36, we got as 108. Here is 4, we multiplied by, here is 19. So 4 we multiplied by 19 equal to 76. Then here is 5 we multiplied by 28. So 5 multiplied by 28 equal to 140. Okay, let's find the sum. So here the sum of frequency fx, we divide by the frequency, the sum of the frequency. So the sum of the frequency is 120. So we got here 140 plus by 76 plus by 108 plus by 46 and 15. So we got as 385. We divided by 120. Check it again. Not 120. This is 125. 25 divided by 125. 125. So we got the answer as 3.08, the mean score. That it is. Thank you.